This video is not to be taken seriously. All questions and statements have been over-asked and said in the Facebook pages and forums. Have fun and stay safe.
Bruh. Do these cars still have oil dilution problems?
Boy!
Party Now only ran for about 25,000 miles, decided to move into something else, trading the car in.
Already giving up, huh?
Did your AC go out?
Nope. Yup. Just roll your windows down.
How long do these batteries last?
Mine lasted about 20,000 miles. Really? I had to change mine 3 times on my way home from the lot.
Has anybody upgraded to the Type R? They're trying to sell me one at $67,000 and I wanted to make sure I was getting a good deal.
Phoenix Yellow Limited Edition?
No.
I mean, if you can afford it, sure. Bro, just buy an SI and dump that money into the SI. It will be faster. Dump the same money into Type R. The Type R will be faster. Yeah, no shit. Buy a Mustang GT. I beat Mustangs all the time.
How much money did you guys pay for your SIs?
MSRP, cash, 18,000. Is that base model or SI? Base. He asked about the SI.
Okay, how much are you guys paying monthly?
350, 450. I'm leasing mine for about 500 monthly.
How do you guys get to 400 wheel horsepower? Reliable?
Full bolt-on big turbo, built motor, built trans, upgrade the clutch. Might as well upgrade the fuel system if you can find one too. Meth injection, take it to the Catholic Church, get it baptized by a priest, raise it as it was your own, help it get through graduation, realize you're about 15,000 in, sell it, ask for everything you've put into it, realizing money doesn't raise value, get motivated again because you're stuck with it, you can't sell it, lose money and part out as much as you can, trade it in for a Type R over MSRP.
Okay, I got a base model because you can make it as fast as an SI.
I got an SI because why spend money on a Type R? It does the same job.
Smells like broken here. Guys, I'm tired of losing against V8s. What do I have to do to make my car go faster?
Bro, a Mountain Dew bottle has more liters than our engines. What did you expect?
What blow-off valves do you guys use?
You again?
Hey guys, I'm selling a blow-off valve used for about 5,000 miles. I don't need it.
You realize our cars don't need it, huh? Might as well put it in storage because you're not gonna sell it.
What do you guys think of the 11th generation SI?
They're selling one at my local dealership for $36,000 if you're interested.
But seriously, 36K? You dealerships are tripping.